We can talk English, we can walk English. Now we can off-road English. We will rescue this chimney quickly. How is your experience? Bahubali! निकल गए! Come on! Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel, and this video is going to be in English because the foreign viewers are not getting my language in Marathi or English. So many comments in our earlier video that we can't understand your language. That's why this video is going to be in English. English is a funny language, you know. We can talk English, we can walk English. Now we can off-road English. So enjoy this English off-roading vlog. Let's go.
We have stopped here to discuss where should we get more fun today.
This is a brighter sunny day after so much days because there is a monsoon season is going on. So enjoy the weather. We are hoping that some rain will be there to the off-road. So we will get a extra traction or that. It's a mud traction. Let's hope we will get a good off-road terrain over there and enjoy the off-roading session.
Hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
We are on the highway, but highway is jammed by these buffaloes because they own this road. Even they don't hear our horns. Please leave us. We are getting late. Buffaloes and buffaloes.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us.
Today in Convoy we have a beautiful and muscular powerful SUVs with us, and now we will enjoy today's off-roading session with these powerful and monster vehicles like a Jeep Rubicon and Pajero Sports.
This is our world famous Daulatabad Fort on the left side, and we are moving by this road for making off-road. And this is the Tafa today. We have multiple vehicles today. Many are soft roaders, soft off-roaders, not roaders. This roader also, but these are soft off-roaders. We can't do a heavy off-roading with this vehicle because there is a much chance to damage bumpers and all that things. So we will not make that much off-road, hard off-road today. I think so, but I don't know if someone have more courage so he can do a hard off-roader also. And we have today with our photographer boy, Mr. Mayank. Many of the footage you will get from this vlog will be shot by Mr. Mayank, Master Mayank, because he is doing mastering in photography. Now, what a beautiful location is this. Are you enjoying or not? What a beautiful view ahead. A bigger lake with full of water, because in this rainy season we have a good rain. All our dams are fulfilled, overloaded, and the Python has also released a water. Python is Zayakwadi Dam. And this is the Tafa today.
I can see a small village ahead and many people will get excited.
Now this is our first water crossing. Oh, I think we should engage 4x4. Don't take risk. And manual also. Let's see how this vehicle is going through water. Oh, not much water there. Yes. This is a good muddy road and very slippery. Oh, skidding. The Thar is now skidding somewhere. So we should take care of our car, Thar. Otherwise we will lose something. Oh, earlier in last video we have lost our DPF tank cover. Some locks was broken. That was not a major issue because that 8 rupees lock I will easily get from Mahindra showroom. Good terrain. This is a light off-roading terrain where the capabilities of our vehicles is we are going to be testing, and it's very smooth. Nothing I am doing. This is our automatic version. That's full of enjoy. Right, Rora?
Yes,
Are you enjoying the weather?
yes, very.
Very much. Good one. Now this is a big challenge for us. From where all this vehicle has been passed, I don't know. From where they have been gone. See this slush. So much big slush, and we have passed through it. And this is our Thar and all other vehicles. This is a complete off-roader. Bablu Bhaiya's Jeep Thar. This is a Pajero Sports Jeep. The Pajero is struggling to go up on this slush. What happened with this Pajero? Why this is not going up? What? I don't know what happened there. Oh my god, what happened there? Jimny has fussing. Jimny also fussing? Yeah. Wow. Jimny has, Pajero is now rescuing Jimny. Yes, this is a real slush. Sagar Dada is fussing. No, 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 don't. Wait.
इंडिवर पे आ जाएंगी गाड़ी.
अभी सब गाड़ियाँ निकल रही
What a slush there.
हैं.
Yes.
मेंशन कर
Yes. Okay, Thar rocks pass from here. जिमनी फंस गई. कोई बात नहीं, जिमनी को भी हम बड़े टायर डालेंगे तो वो भी निकल जाएगी.
कैसे डाले अभी हमने जिमनी को?
अच्छा, स्पेसर डाले.
हाँ, फिर नहीं वाइट कट कैसे से बची है?
Endeavour is now placed at safe parked at. Oh, wait. And now the fun begin here.
एक मोशन में सीधा ही आने दो, एकदम सीधा.
टायर सीधा.
हाँ, स्टीयरिंग सीधा.
स्टीयरिंग सीधा.
पीछे लो.
Go.
एक मोशन में आने दो.
आने दो. Motion. Okay. बस. Now we are doing back. We will rescue this Jimny quickly.
डालो आप. शायद से गया.
हो गया नहीं लग गया.
गया.
बैठ गया.
आगे का बेल्ट लगा हुआ है.
Ready, Jimny? चलो, ले लो. Come on. सीधा, steering सीधा.
पीछे
Slowly, Jimny slowly. Wait. बस.
ए सुमित, सिर्फ इसको खोल, उसको रहने दे. इसको है ना इधर से इससे रॉक से खींच ले दे ऊपर.
अरे भैया
How is your experience? Can't tell you in words. Now we are going to attempt one more thing. Where? From this side? From where? That one? Climbing? Climbing from this way? Is it possible? I don't think so. No, not possible. Right. Go. Wait. अब आएगा मजा, लेकिन कौन आएगा? बाहुबली। लेफ्ट नहीं, पजेरो को खींचेगी।
थोड़ा उसको भी खुशी का मौका दो।
हाँ।
बच्चों साइड में गया वाला
Now the Jimny will rescue Pajero. Now that Jimny can, the Pajero will go from this terrain. That's a huge incline. And Jimny will tow the Pajero. Come on, Pajero. Yes. No. खींचो. स्टीयरिंग सीधा करो, स्टीयरिंग सीधा. गई. वेट. नहीं. Now the Thar rocks will rescue Pajero. The rocks is ready. Ready? Pajero ready? Come on. Woo! Very good. What a smooth. Woo!
वो गाड़ी रॉक्स है, तब तक ले लो जिसको लेनी है गाड़ी। रॉक्स को यही रखो, जिसको लेनी है
वो ले लो.
ऐसी बातें, असली बातें करता है यार।
अरे चलो, now it's your turn. आप ही का टर्न है. That's your turn.
आजा तेरा ही नंबर है।
ये नहीं पूछना कि जाएगी कि नहीं जाएगी, पहले डाल देना,
डाल के देखना।
ऐसा अपना अपने को नहीं पता जाने वाली नहीं जाने वाली।
अरे No. Wait.
उल्टा
राइट लेके, हाँ राइट लेके, पीछे ले।
काट क्यों बंद रखते तुम लोग? आप फंसा, आप टो करके निकालो, क्लच प्लेट मत जलाओ।
पहले पीछे तो ले,
ओ उल्टा मारो, स्टीयरिंग राइट मारो।
राइट, जान दो.
लो पीछे, लो पीछे, लो पीछे, बस। फुल लेफ्ट,
झाड़ियों में डाल।
फुल लेफ्ट. Go. अरे पंच. जाने दो. यस, क्या बात है. ये बात. Now it's Wrangler time. नहीं, खोलिए. Why? Come on. Motion. Bablu bhaiya having the same Thar, same SUV. That's why they are giving some suggestions or tactics to go. Motion. Speed. Come on. Yes. Woo. Come on. Wow.
अब एंड्योर में डालेंगे अपन।
चलो, ये that Thar will go smoothly from this.
Thar तो जाएगी
terrain.
इधर से।
Thar तो that will go from this way.
सीधा भैया, सीधा।
Straight. Second. That's called truly off-roader vehicle. What a smooth, no. Bus. Now this old school off-roader is in a power. गई अरे यही प्रॉब्लम है. कुछ नहीं, लॉक टूट गया उसका. That's the problem. No. ए पीछे बम्पर टच है.
नाही तो पूर्ण परत मागे जाऊ दे.
वेट. गुड. Yes.
After a long waiting, it's my turn, and let's see whether our Thar can go easily from here. Not possible. Let's try again.
स्वप्नील राईट काढून येऊ दे मागे. फुल राईट काढ, फुल राईट. बस. आता येऊ दे, आता जाऊ दे, पूर्ण मागे जाऊ दे. हा राईट काढून पूर्ण मागे जाऊ दे मोशन घे. बस फुल लेफ्ट झाडांवर टाक. सोडू नको. फुल राईट.
We have 4x4 Endeavour with us. Let's try whether it can come with us or not.
नहीं. No. This is the last vehicle which we left behind. The tractor person are becoming crazy.
आपण त्या दिवशी इकडूनच गेलेलो, काहीच नव्हतं त्या दिवशी.
Yes. Come on. नहीं, वही मोमेंटम ही नहीं मिल रहा. Come on. No. ओए.
पत्थर बजाने वाले का राजू का.
अरे कॉपीराइट आ जाएगा रे मेरे वीडियो को. कम ऑन. निकल गई. गुड.
ये उल्टा काट अभी.
ऊपर तो आ गई. बस. फुल राइट. वेट. अभी आ जाएगी. ये देखो, ये ट्रैक्टर कितनी आसानी से जा रहा है. और वो भी लोडिंग. Great. And we have passed through this road. Yes. The tractor also struggling to pass through here. Come on. Woo. Oh, good. What do you say? No car?
No car left behind.
No car left behind. What is our Thar condition? Totally muddy.
मजा आली.
Enjoyed.
What a beautiful nature it is. We are hoping rain, but it can't come. Let's enjoy whatever we have and this Thar. It can go from anywhere without any hassle, right?
Now we are going to challenge one more terrain. See the road we have been passing through. Video. अरे उधर where it is going?
फुल लेफ्ट. जाऊ दे लेफ्ट.
We have come from this way and the Thar Rocks is going from another way. Wait! Woo! That's called rear off-roader, yes! Woo! Great one. That's called Rocks power. The benefit of the off-roading tires and rims. Good, good, good. Right.
ऊपर जाके लेफ्ट या राइट में दबाना.
This is a Pajero Sports and taking a little bit more time than other cars pass through here. What is the reason? I don't know.
Wait, wait, wait. Pajero is still struggling. What happened, Pajero? Momentum.
This is a beautiful and powerful Jeep Rubicon having very good electronics. What a smooth ride it is. Means I am checking this vehicle more than so many times because Bablu Bhaiya get this vehicle every time and this vehicle came with us first time. But what a powerful and very good machine yaar. I love this machine. Very smooth.
Easy, easy peasy. What a smooth vehicle. This is the last vehicle because we are not left anything behind. So, गाड़ी हो या dust bin. That's it, friends. Good to go.
MS20 ग्रुप के इंटरनेशनल ऑफ रोडर
MS
जी अग्रवाल जी आ रहे हैं. लेफ्ट लेफ्ट सुमित फुल लेफ्ट.
and the Sumit Agarwal is our international off-roader.
जो आइस में भी चला चुके हैं, रेत में भी चला चुके हैं.
Ice, rate, and now it's mud and water. Oi! Come on, come on! Oi! Attack, photo.
What a beautiful location it is, and if you want to see with your open eyes, then you must have 4x4 vehicles. Otherwise, you can't come here.
First, you see this beautiful waterfall. What a milky waterfall it is, isn't it? And then you see these mighty SUVs. First, our Mahindra Thar, then old Thar, Jimny, Endeavour, Jeep Rubicon, Thar Rocks, one more Jimny. And what is that side? I can't see. Old Pajero and a next gen Pajero. And the friends, the off-roaders, and the beauty. And not on the list, Master Mayanko. Have you enjoyed today's journey or not? In English, tutti frutti English. This is the struggle after off-roading, muddy off-roading, and this is the beautiful waterfall.
Just close your eyes and listen the sound of beautiful waterfall.
Now it's time to goodbye off-roading train and we are going back. Have you enjoyed today's day, Rara?
Yes,
How much?
very much.
Too much, very much.
Too much.
His English is also like mine. But as a request of few followers from all over the world, we have to shoot this episode in English. Right, Rara?
Yes.
Right. And this is the lineup of today's off-roading terrain. If you enjoy this episode, please comment in English. So the foreigner subscriber also know what you think or what you enjoyed about this video.
What adventurous and mast wala Sunday today. After finishing this, we are headed back to our homes with this off-roading terrain with all these SUVs.
Now this is what we oh, the Jeep Rubicon has came from here, from that way, all that way. Oh, woo! Let's go. It's a muddy terrain. Now that's so easy. That's so easy. The two vehicle has passed from here right now, very easily. Now again Jimny has come. The Thar Rocks Jimny, Thar Rocks, and this Jeep Wrangler has come from this way, all this way, and we have coming from this that way. So skiddy, so skiddy. Now look. See what Jimny. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Wow, good. Great. Wait. Let him sit. चिक्कल देखने को वो गाड़ी अच्छी है ना, वो खराब करना चाहते थे इसलिए वो उतर गए. वेट
पहले मैं भरा था ना, तेरा भरना बनता ना. एक्सीलेटर नहीं,
स्लोली.
सीधा. परफेक्ट.
गुड टू गो. हाँ जाने दो अभी. स्लोली.
ब्रेक नका दाबू.
चलना तू.
बस झालं.
We are at the same place where it was tough to climb earlier, but now it's very easy to get over this tough terrain. While crawling this area, we have get more stress than declining. What do you think? What a muddy terrain here, yeah. Because the tractors are passing from here, that's why there is a big slush. But it's a hard slush, that's why we can't stuck here. And that kind of way we are actually taking our Thar to the next level adventure. Even though the tire is not spinning anywhere. We have only engaged 4x4. This have differential lock, and I don't think it's needed because it's passing very smoothly. Makhan. Thank God we got some water, so minimum tire or our alloys can be cleaned freely. Otherwise we have to wash the vehicle after getting at home, like a Pajero.
The people might like clean and neat vehicles, but off-roaders like that kind of vehicle which fully muddied. Even the number plate can't visible, and that's with us also, but not much than that, but not much than this, because this is a truly off-roader, and we have little bit off-roader. See the door. Yes, come on. So now let's finish this episode here. Stay tuned for next episode. Bye. This chimney also, the number can't visible.